What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna be doing a unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini microphones. Now, real quick, this is my third pair because I've lost the other two while I was traveling. So this time I was like, you know what? We're gonna do unboxing. So nothing crazy, just gonna do an unboxing, show you guys what's in it, what it contains, and that'll be the end of the video. So we're just gonna start off by opening this. I don't have any scissors. The box gonna open up. Let's see what's inside, as we should already know. The first thing that comes out is this plastic patch that has the actual mics in it. Boom. So got a nice little bag, feels really nice. It says DJI on it. It's like the pouch. Unzip it. We have the windscreens. I'll open this up for you guys. So we got a black furry little windscreen, if it'll focus. And it comes with, a gray one, another black one, and another gray one in the package. So you got 4 windscreens, 2 gray and 2 black. That's pretty nice. And then you have this is a charging kit, I believe, to charge it. So you got your 3.5 to 3.5 to go into your camera, and then you have the USB-A to USB-C to charge it. So that also comes with it. And then of course, the microphones. So this is the case that the microphone comes in. Very tiny, very compact. And just take sticker off of it and open up, and that is your mics inside. So you have these 2 microphones, super tiny, which is actually nice. And you have your transmitter. And I like these because, show y'all real quick. It has like a magnet on the back. So you take that magnet off, and normally what I'll do to even conceal it more. So you can either put this under your shirt and have the magnet like this and be talking, or what I do if I'm wearing like an undershirt, I'll just do this exact same thing but underneath my undershirt, so you don't even see the magnet. But really, this is what I use to record like all my behind the scenes or content when I don't want to have like an actual microphone. But these work really well, maybe say for vlogging, maybe for, like I said, behind the scene content. I personally wouldn't use them for like wedding day stuff. I've used DJI Mic 2s for weddings, and I got too much interference a lot. So me personally, I don't like it. So these are the again, this is the receiver, and you can control your gain on here. I know it's only 24-bit float, but with me using this only for behind the scenes and content, I already know I'm not going to be screaming in my behind the scenes and things of that nature. And super easy to connect. Literally just power it on. It's already connected, so it'll show like the green flashing light on the number 1, and then once I put it back in, it should shut off. Boom. And now the green light is gone, it's blinking. So when I pick it up, and it should turn on, and now it's on. And then I picked up the second mic, and it should already be connected. Give it a second, and boom, now they're both connected. Then I put it back in the case to charge, and it'll shut off automatically. So like I said, nothing too crazy. DJI Mic Minis. I'm gonna try my best not to lose these ones. I love these mics for my behind the scenes. And that's it. That's all you have it. See you in the next one. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and comment.